Well, what's going on, guys? Hey, wanted to do a quick update on the ice bears. It's been a bit. The ice bears came in, I assembled them. About 5 days later, I got the registration paperwork from the ice bear dealer. Yeah, it was about 5 working days. It has a certificate origin and a bill of sale, and it looks like they actually did the bill of sale on the possibly the pre-printed DMV bill of sale you can download from California DMV. Unless all bill of sales are the same. I don't know. Haven't seen a bill of sale from another state in a few years. So wanted to do an update to let you know where we are on those. So yeah, we got the bikes. We assembled them. 5 working days later, got the bill of sale and the certificate of origin. And then I contacted the DMV because I wasn't sure if I was going to have to take the bikes to the DMV. Chatted with a person there, and yeah, I need to take the bikes actually down to the DMV because they want to make sure the serial numbers on the certificates of origin and the serial numbers on the frame and the engine are the same, right? They also, here, let's switch around. So yeah, this is what you get. You get your certificate of origin. You see at the top there. This from Ice Bear. Blue, green, cute. But yeah, there's a serial number here, a serial number on this data plate here, and then on the side over here, the other thing they wanted to see was the sticker that says it conforms to California emissions regulations, right? I haven't touched the bikes other than changing the handlebars out because I didn't want to do too many modifications before I found out if the DMV needs to see them or not. And now that I know that the DMV does in fact want to inspect the bikes, I'm not going to change anything, right? I did change the handlebars, but I don't think that's going to matter all that much. As much as changing out the exhaust or the whole front suspension or rear suspension or carburetor, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm going to leave them like this. The DMV is incredibly busy right now for some reason. I think there's a mad rush to get your California, what is that thing called? I got mine so long ago, I don't remember. The real ID, yeah. Because the deadline is approaching again. The deadline has occurred maybe 5 times already. That's why I've had mine for so long. And they just keep pushing it out because people are too damn lazy to go down and get the real ID. Or just cancel the program altogether. Why does California need a special ID? I don't know, dumb. Why am I getting a real ID when I have a passport? I don't know, dumb. California is just getting dumber by the minute. I mean, it's not like it's already dumb enough, but here we are, right? Um, anyway, so they're super busy, and I made an appointment, and I'm going to go down there next Monday and hang out with the folks at the DMV while they inspect my bikes and hopefully get me a title and some license plates and get these bikes registered. I'm sure they're going to want to collect sales tax because I haven't paid any sales tax yet. And there will be registration fees, obviously. And then I'll need to add these to my insurance, at least so, for liability or whatever. That way they're covered because California requires all motor vehicles that are registered to have some form of insurance, liability at a minimum. But that's where we are with the Ice Bears. Hopefully we can get this done next week and get some license plates on these and start doing some modifications and maybe doing a few rides and filming that. That would be fun, me and the wife. We want to take them camping. We've had to cancel one camping trip already because this is taking longer. Well, we didn't cancel the trip, but weren't able to take the bikes. This is taking a little longer than I thought it would. But eventually, we'll be good to go, I'm sure. But yeah, that's where we are. And hope you guys have a good one. And I'll see you on the next one.